Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Make sure you enable the GKE API and billing, then authenticate with gCloud using your user account. This ensures proper IAM behavior. Once done, install kubectl and configure gCloud container clusters get credentials to populate kubeconfig. Next, create a cluster specifying node count, machine type, and auto-scaling to balance cost and performance. This gives you a running control plane and worker nodes ready for workloads. Now you will deploy workloads and configure networking and scaling. Create deployment manifests for your pods and expose them with services or ingress. Use kubectl apply and verify pods are running. Then configure horizontal pod autoscaler with CPU or custom metrics, and enable cluster autoscaler on the node pool so nodes scale with demand. Also, make sure to apply network policies, enable private clusters or VPC native routing, and assign least privilege IAM roles to service accounts to reduce blast radius and secure traffic. Finish by validating and hardening your deployment so production runs smoothly. Confirm health checks, readiness and liveness probes, and review logs with kubectl logs and gCloud logging, read to find issues. Once done, enable cloud monitoring and audit logs to observe performance and security events. These tools explain why incidents happen. If an upgrade or rollout fails, use kubectl rollout undo to revert, or recreate node pools to fix node-level failures. One tip: check events and describe resources first. They usually reveal root causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.